remember, every time you make some vegetables, you can add sardines. I've been trying to turn this camera on. It won't turn on. I cannot have this camera broken. Honestly. It's memorable. And maybe it's just the battery, you know. Maybe it's low bat. But good morning. I'll show you the outside. It's so foggy outside, guys. It is so foggy. Fog. Afternoon. It's not afternoon. It's early in the morning. Time check, it's 6:59, 7 o'clock almost. And the dog is there. Hi, Rox. Yeah, it's really foggy out there, guys. Let's go, Rox. Come here. What are you waiting for? Tignan nyo, guys, yung sun doon, no? It's so nice. The sun is pretty. I put oil on my scar because this scar over here, it's the one, it's big. It was big before, and now I've been doing stuff like how do you call that, the wart removal. It's just keep applying it, and then I don't feel anything. A little bit left in there, but I did, maybe it's a scar, so I put the vitamin E oil in right here too. I know it's kind of late, but I will still gonna do it. This one right here, it's been years already, this pimple scar. Tommy's fault. It's Tommy's fault. Anyway, so I will feed the cats and the dogs, and then I'm going upstairs to wash my face again. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my face again. And I'm still wearing the same thing, guys. Today is Thursday. Tommy is not working. I want to go over there to the other house to spend time with him, but tomorrow I'm gonna pick up his mother, so it's gonna be like, you know, a kind of like waste of gas going back and forth. But so I will probably go early, leave tomorrow early, that I can spend time with Tommy tomorrow before he go to work. So probably that's what I'm gonna do. So that means I'm gonna leave the dog longer. But my mother-in-law doesn't say anything yet if she's coming here is there tomorrow, so I'm not sure yet. I need to know. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Sa mga silent viewers, salamat sa panonood. Give it to me. Give it to Mama. I tried that yesterday, guys, to put that piece in the middle of the two drawers, and I try, and then I like freaking crazy sweating, and it's hard to put it all together because you have to drag it, carry it, and screw it and everything. Yan lang. Dito matutulog yung dalawang kaibigan ko, guys. My Remy and Karen, they will be sleeping here. And there's no bed. I explained to them that no bed, you know, we're used to the floor, But we're used to Filipino, used to lie down on the floor if you are, you know, if you're used to it. But me, I'm used to. And then actually, it's not really hard to lie down in the carpet because it's kind of soft. So, and then I will just cover it, and then they can lie down here. And pillow and blanket, and that's it. Let me see what's here. Okay. Oh, my winter stuff. Hold on, guys. My winter socks. I have a lot of winter. And my robe that I never really try. I never really use. It's a nice robe. Tommy bought it for me. It's a kind. I'm gonna use it next winter. This coming winter. I think I have two of this. Two blue and like this. That's my nephew. I'm gonna look for another frame for that because I'm gonna put different picture into that frame. Okay, it's time for me. Tommy called me a while ago and he is probably going to do his, how do you call that? Driver's license to renew, and he need to eye test. Yeah, because he wear glasses and that's what it is. The Hi Misty, you're trying to get the ball to give it to Mama? Are you gonna give it to Mama, Mitika? Mitika, what did you? You're so funny, Mitika. He doesn't even look at me. He do like this. These dogs are funny. I know you've been alone down here, which is good girls. You don't do anything. You don't bark. You don't do nothing. You're hungry. Misty, you're hungry, baby. Misty, right here, baby. Oh, come here, Mitch. Come here, baby. His food is right here. Oh my goodness, what is it? What is it? What is it, baby? What is it? No. What is it? Ay, diba, baby? No. Ay. Ano naman yun tayo? Tignan mo yung dalawa, guys. Back to back talaga pag mag... Ay, nako, kailangan talagang nasa init sila. Nakakatawa. Nag-back to back yung dalawa. Kasi they want to be under the sun. Nakakaaliw naman to. These two, they just want to be under the sun. That's it, I guess. I just let them there because I noticed they love to be outside. And then in this hour, the sun is perfect. I mean, it's not perfect anymore, but for them, they like it. Look at it. Ay, nako. Ay, gili. Tignan nyo yung dungga nila, guys. Sorry. Ang bahay ko kahit munti. Nakakatawa naman to. Oy! Okay guys, kakain ako. Ito na naman tayo sa suka at sili guys at lemon guys. At saka yung gourmet toyo na ano na siya. Niluluto ko lang siya painit sa stove. Rice, yun lang naman. So, kakain tayo, guys. Kain tayo! Before you edit this, there is clips on the white camera, the Samsung one. So, transfer it, MaryAnn! Anyway, so I'm gonna charge the battery of this one too. Because low battery. Be right back. I'm going upstairs to continue what I'm doing, guys. Bye! Dumadami-dami yung mga nilalabas ko, guys. And Hobbs is right there. I don't know if you see him right here. Because he was crying and he wants to come in. So I was like taking out stuff from the closet and then fold it, put into the inside the bin. It's a winter stuff, and then I'll put all my like house clothes in the drawer, and there were bras, stuff like that. And I'm not worried about Tommy. Tommy have another cabinet in the other room, so that's where his stuff is, and this is where's mine. And what else? Yeah, I'm just watching Jovelita's vlog. Yeah, I'm just watching her right now. And hindi pa ako tapos. I will be starting this. I will continue this, guys. I'm just gonna finish this and I will be right back, okay? And I try to put the curtains, guys. It's a red curtain. You know why? Because if my friend's gonna be here, stay for a night, and then I don't want in the morning they can see the sun coming in whilst they're still sleeping, you know. So for now, I'll put that red curtains right there. I don't know if it's okay to be looking have a red curtains in this room. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure. Red curtains. Garbage donation. So I have few garbage here. I throw my holy underwear, holy pajamas, holy whatever, and this one some good clothes, not really good, but house stuff that is can donate. So I donated this one. I'm gonna use this one. I'm going downstairs to spend time with my babies. Oh, I have to go out. Tommy told me to go outside and he want me to check something. Yeah, I will check it later. Naloka na ito si Tommy, guys. So mamaya na lang ko yun ano. It's not really far, so I can just go over there and check it. How much it is. It's something about the lawnmower. Not lawnmower. Yeah, it's a lawnmower slash you can shovel when it's winter, so you can use it in summer and winter. When if it's snow, I can't. We and Tommy and I cannot shovel in our driveway. As you say, our driveway is a freaking long driveway, and it's I cannot shovel and Tommy cannot. So we are. I will probably go drive over there after this. I'm just gonna let them out, and that's it. See you later. I'm going out, guys, to check what Tommy want me to check, but I forgot my cell phone. I need my cell phone to carry me just in case. Where's my phone? It's in the bathroom. Ay, nako talaga ba? Cell phone. What are you doing in the bathroom, phone? Did you do your business? It came out a lot? What? Be a good girl. No popo, no no hudude ha, mitika. Guys, okay, I'm just really going to check the place. I told you that, and I'm hoping that I can see a place. I mean to, because it's a quite narrow road, and I wish I can find a space to me to pull over to take a picture, because all I want is the number that Tommy can call them and ask how much they're selling, you know, that machine for, how much it is. And yeah, it's kind of gray because it's kind of gra. Guys, oh my god, I got a picture. I hope I get a picture. Oh my god, oh lord. And I took a picture and then I blocked the owners of that machine. I blocked the owner, their driveway. Grabe, natakot ako, guys, baka kasi it's really different over here when you pull over to somebody's driveway. I mean, you get, the owner of the house get nervous looking at you. What are you doing? Are you doing something in their own property? You know what I mean? And I kind of like, you know, nervous about it. I'm just like watching Roxy because I'm worried if she might go out. The only problem to me, guys, not a problem, but always every time I let Roxy outside and Misty, I always watch them, especially Roxy, because Roxy can jump the the fence. And also I don't know what's gonna happen, you know. Oh my god, if she go out again, guys, I don't know what to do again. Remember, guys, they both went out and I go freaking out. And the neighbors are mowing their lawn. Anyway, time check is 6:55 in the evening, the afternoon, whatever how you call it. I think it's afternoon because it's still light outside. It's still not dark, still have a light in the sun. Tommy is says when Tommy's talking to me, he was kind of like, oh my god, it's so hot in here. I have to go to bedroom because the bedrooms, 3 bedrooms over there have the air conditioning, but the whole house is not. It's just the bedrooms. So it's so freaking hot over there. Every time they go to the dining, to the kitchen, it's so hot. So he's like bitching. So he's lying down in the bedroom relaxing.
By the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the way.
I don't know what's up with Roxy, guys. She loved to be under that tree, that specific tree. I don't know what's wrong with her. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first time, I see who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand what love is. Love is. Oh, I just want to show you that I don't. Oh, look at this, guys. Look how cute is it, guys. Look how cute it is. Look how cute is that. That's why we put this cover, because of my kids. My kids love to be in the couch, mostly the cat. So she loved to be in the couch. This is how she is. This is Dimples. Let me see Roxy. Hi guys, ito yung kakainan ko. This is my dinner. This is yung tinapaligo sardines. Smells so good. And yung leftover ko kanina, and the rice and the mungo beans. So this is my dinner. So let's eat. Nakalinya na yung dalawa, si Roxy at saka si Misty. So good. Remember, every time you make some vegetables, you can add sardines when you're making ini gulay, ini ginataang things. But I don't put ginataang. I don't put sardines when I was cooking this because Tammy probably won't like it. Oh my god, it's the best. Oh my god, the spiciness is adding up because of the sokong pinakurat plus the chili. Chili. No. Broccoli. Always have spicy vinegar. Hindi kayo mauumay. You won't get tired because, for example, if you're having like a humba and then you have this kind of spicy vinegar, you won't get tired. Oh my god, have this here. The 3 of them, guys, I will show you guys. Oh my god, they're waiting for me. They're waiting for me to give them something. That's ridiculous. I give them something already. Their dinner. This is what I do all the time. I always higup that vinegar. That's this. Oh my god. Why Filipino food is so good? It sucks when they're watching you. And then you cannot give anything. And also, I'm just watching Big Bang Theory. I love the show. And I love the food. It's windy. But walang aircon dito. I don't feel the air conditioning. And then the cat will keep crying. I was outside and the cat just kept crying. So when I come up here, I let him out. He doesn't go down. He's just in the stairs. Wanna go back in again. He's a pain in the neck, guys. This little bug. And right here, look. Now he's lying down. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. And always thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. And I will see you tomorrow. Hope you have a good day. And see you tomorrow. Bye.